Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power tilting steering wheel, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.